Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement. So this is a client template we have, so this is what we use for some of their specific apparel. And it's got all of the arts for their different states so that everything's in here. It's quick and easy just to swap it out on the proof. But we had art boards for all of the different backs. And so when we go to export it, your artboards, a lot of times these are by default checked, so you have to go through and uncheck the ones you don't want, check the ones you do want to export if you're exporting a name drop and that proof. So what I've done is I've changed those over to assets, so they're just as easy to export. You can export them from the same screen, but that way they're not mixed in with these, so when you go to export you've only got those two things that you're exporting on a job basis. And these ones are still there if we need to. But screen print keeps these ones on hand, so we don't have to export these with the job every single time. So it just eliminates a little bit of that checking and unchecking in here, so it's just the ones that you're actually using.